Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. As seen in the title, we're going to talk about this newly added product in my skincare routine. And this is the Centellian 24 Madeca Cream and the Centellian 24 Madeca Derma Mask. As you all know, I'm Miss Raisa Contagious fan. So when there was a chance to try the product, I grabbed the opportunity. It's the 11th day of using the product. So this one, this serves as my moisturizer and eye cream. And this one, as a mask. So after toner, nilagay ko to last week. So one time ko pa lang to nagamit. Nabanggit ni Miss Raisa Contawi na sa first week, you'll be experiencing yung purging effect. Ang nagkataon lang na last week nagkaroon ako ng period, so di ko sure ko yung yung pimples ko last week is dahil may period ako or dahil sa purging effect. So today, since 11th day of using the product, ano naman siya, may powder pa ako today, papakita ko pa sa inyo kung paano ko siya gamitin. Wala naman akong active acne right now. Parang effective naman siya sa akin. Yung time na I was using yung Clear Supple Preparation Toner, ang active ingredient din ng toner na yun is yung Centellian Sciatica. Yung pinaka main ingredient kasi nito is yung Centellian Sciatica. And as you all know, favorite toner ko yun. Yun yung go-to toner ko talaga bago pa dumating si Sambay Me. Kaya currently, si Sambay Me pa rin kasi yung ginagamit ko. Paubos pa lang siya. Konti na lang. So, as you can see. And yun. Tapos, currently din, ang ginagamit ko pa din soap, yung Sambay Me soap. Ayun. Actually, iniisip ko na bumalik dun sa Claire's na toner since main ingredient din niya is yung Centellian Sciatica. And talagang love ko yung yung ingredient na yun kasi parang sa oily skin ko hindi naman siya harsh and talagang nai-heal naman niya yung acne. So simulan na natin mag-cleanse ng face. So sinisimulan ko siya using makeup remover wipes. So, habang basa yung face ko, nagsaspray ako ng mist. Tapos, I let it dry. Even though yung product was sent to me or ako mismo yung personal na bumili, rest assured na yung totoong thoughts ko and honest review yung bibigay ko sa inyo. Yun lang. Sinasabi ko lang sa inyo ahead. Baka kasi sabihin nyo porkat sinend lang sa akin dahil sponsored or something, sasabihin ko na puro good things about the product, but no. Kasi makikita nyo naman yun kung talagang ginagamit ko yung product. And so far, itong mga existing products ko, matagal ko na silang ginagamit. So, after ng toner, bali, kinuha ko na ito galing fridge. Nandun siya actually sa freezer. Kasi si Miss Rai, yung kanyang sinuggest ay ilagay siya i-freeze mo na siya bago gamitin. So, at least 2 hours siya sa freezer. Bago siya, bago ko siya kunin at gamitin. Hindi naman yung whole box yung nilagay ko. Yung lang, as needed lang. Yung product lang na gagamitin mo, yun lang muna yung nilagay ko sa freezer. So, medyo frozen pa siya. Antikas So, habang frozen pa siya, tigas naman. para ma-minimize yung aking pores. Dinadampi ko muna siya sa cheeks ko. Lamig. Sarap. Yung instructions sa box, after 20 minutes, pwede mo na siyang tanggalin. So, yun yung ginawa ko. I let it stay for 20 minutes. Pero, kung gusto niyo i-follow yung suggestion ni Miss Rai Contani, you can also let it stay for the whole night. As in, hanggang sa madry yung mask. Ayun. So far, hindi ko pa na-try yun na the whole night. So, this is the second time pa lang. And, ayun. Kaya, 20 minutes lang kasi this is for the purpose of this video. Ayun. Kung paano ko siya, pinapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya gamitin. As you can see, ayun, puro acne scars. Ayun. Wala akong active pimple. And, 11th day pa lang to of using the product. Ayun. After using the mask, syempre yung next natin is yung cream. Yan. As mentioned earlier, this replaces yung moisturizer and eye cream. So, like, hindi ko siya ginagamit as spot cream, but as cream for the whole face talaga. Yan. Napatiyo ko lang yung mask. So far, masarap ng feeling. Lalo na nung nilagay ko siya na ice cold. Ang sarap. You can use this twice a week as suggested by Miss Rai. Alam niyo naman, idol ko yun. So, lahat na sabihin nun, ginagawa ko. Next is, lalagyan na natin itong cream sa whole face. At ganito karami yung spread ko sa whole face. Compared sa other moisturizers na nagamit ko, this one has a thicker consistency. And yun nga. Pero, once nalagay mo siya sa face, it doesn't feel greasy or sticky at all. So, pag gising mo sa umaga, wala rin yung stickiness. Yan, ganun naman siya kaganda. So, here's a closer look. Ayun na, puro acne scars na lang siya. Meron akong matinding acne scar. Ito recurring kasi ito eh. Lagi ako nagkakaroon ng pimple dito sa part na to. Ayun. So, puro acne scars. And wala akong active na pimples sa ngayon. And yun nga, 11th day ng paggamit ko ng product. So, there you have it. This is my 11th day review of Madeca Derma cream, and I'll get back to you after a month. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you all like this video, and please don't forget to click like and subscribe if you haven't yet, and please don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts, and I'll put the links below where you can buy the product. So I have my own Charis Shop, so you can visit my Charis Shop and buy the Madeca Derma cream. Thank you again for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye!